This is RJ from Fvckboi. Have a little segment called Love Black People Talking Movie Theater. It's just a little silly section. I want to do these every once in a while. Basically, we're going to break down a scene from a show that I've been watching lately. This scene from High Fidelity was amazing. It's basically a hangout with people that I barely know. But it did strike a chord for me because of the age group I'm in and where my friends are right now. Basically, all my friends have kids. And I feel like we need some rituals for when we have kids. I think the scene kind of shows it right. So let's watch it. Oh, yeah, boy!
There it is. Let's go. We need to get some... Hey! Mom's friend. Oh! There he is. Come on, do you hammer slam? Hammer slam?
No, really.
Well, that's the hammer slam. So when you see the hammer, remember what you're doing. Hammer slam. Or, anytime there's a new song,
I need more friends that name drinking games after.
it's just never
just
not taking
drink
shots.
like this
Yes.
stuff.
Yeah, okay, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Okay. What's your name? Why? Hey, can I get a slow gin fizz? Whoa!
Look at this herb.
Gin fizz. Trevor. Hammer slam. So we
It's just something about this new generation that's just fucking herby as fuck. I don't know what it is. I put my finger on it. Maybe they don't hammer slam. I don't know.
Not about the future. Tonight is an homage to the past.
Got that right.
I used to live a life of freedom and spontaneity.
Slow gin fizz, please. Slow no gin fizz.
Fuck it.
You need to
I just want to take a shot, dude. Brooklyn. Am I right?
You know what?
It's New Brooklyn.
No one
So
calls that beach anymore. Okay?
it's weird when New York is
Like
a city that you
this,
don't
yeah,
want to even go to. You're like,
So,
oh.
you feel me?
Do I have to?
I feel you. That sucks, man. I'm really sorry. And like, Rob's all bummed because Mac broke off the engagement. And like,
Look at him go.
she dodged the bullet. She must be mad at me. Right? Like, and she was, but she still has her freedom. She doesn't have a baby on the way. It's like, fuck, she fucking problems about. Yeah, I don't know, man.
Just have a Herbie reaction to it too, man. He's that guy. God.
This is Matt.
Why did you let Leadham Dunham do that to you, dog? She typecast you.
You know, I got you because I'm feeling a little.
What was his name? Friggin'?
Go to the bathroom and
Oh.
get it. Yeah, don't worry.
The name itself.
Hurrah, let's go, Hammer. You guys are friends. Hey guys.
Damn.
A bunch of it. Hey, let's do it, bud.
What can you say, man? You got fucked up in the game. You tried to cover for Lisa Bonet. What can I say? The High Fidelity TV shows is okay. It wasn't necessary, but that scene is completely necessary. But this is RJ from Fvckboi. Till next time, like and subscribe. Where it's gonna be. That come out in post. Little